Welcome back. Today, this is a good one. You guys stick around for this one. If you have a Sony camera and you have these two batteries in your bag, you gotta watch this video. This thing rocks. I'm serious. So I have the A7R5 here. I'm shooting with the ZV1. Those are my two main cameras that I use. I have a charger for this separately and a charger for this separately. And I have to bring both of them with me, or I just charge it through the camera themselves, which takes a little bit longer, a little bit of a pain, but sometimes you have to do it. Well, along came a company called ISDT and sent me this charger. It has a screen on the front, which will give you how much charge the battery has in itself. Yep, this has a 10,000 milliamp battery within the box. So what does that mean? You know what that means. It can charge my batteries without having to plug it in all the time. So it can be in your bag charging as you walk around to your next site or whatever you're doing. And it's got an indicator on the front. It'll tell you how much juice is in. Let's go ahead and do it, right? If you can read that or not. How much juice do I have on? I got nothing on the small battery from Sony. I'll put that on the screen what that is. I can never remember that number. And then I have the 100 is pretty much full already. So that'll give you a quick look of when you look at your thing, like how much juice do I have before it's fully charged. And there you go. So we'll let that keep charging up. It also, they didn't leave out you guys. I had these camp batteries forever, the 50s, right? I'll put it up on the screen right now. That's with my old A6000, and I think even a ZV-E10 had the 50 batteries, but this does all three of those batteries. This slot's for the 100, that slot is for the smaller Sony battery, and then horizontally it will go in and fit on top for the 50. You could do three different batteries at the same time, right? So I had these two rocking in there, and I could lay the 50 right on top if you had those type of batteries to charge all at once. What else we got in the box? All right, so in the box is charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. I like that, no longer the A. But wait, there is more. It's also a battery bank. So you could take an outbound charge from here. So plug your, we'll plug her in. Boom, charging the old phone. So it's a battery bank, a camera charger, all in one. You gotta love it. But wait, there is more. It has an app. Are you serious? Why does a battery charger have an app? I don't know, man, but it does, and it actually is pretty nice. Right there, polying. So I pull that up, plugged it in. You can select to charge the built-in battery first. So if you had batteries inside here, but you wanted to charge the box, you can tell it to just charge the box first and then charge the batteries that are inside of it. You can turn off the annoying beep, which I will do right now, and then Find Me. You can turn on Find Me, and it actually makes a sound. So if you lose this guy, but you have it connected, you can hit the button, and then you can locate your charger. That's pretty cool. It says enable battery case. Stop charging when 80% yield is reached to increase the lifespan of the battery. My Apple Watch does this too. It'll basically get into battery safe mode where it won't fully charge the battery. It'll go up to about 80%. This can do that too. You can basically tell it that, hey, I like to keep the batteries a little bit longer. I don't want it fully charged. It can go to about 80%, and I want to use it after that point. Again, you can check your battery levels up top here. I'm pretty impressed that this case has its own particular app through Bluetooth. So that is the NP2go. I'll be using it for the next couple of months. I'll report back to you guys any issues, any problems, but I'm excited to go on trips with this only and leave my other chargers back home because I don't need them. This does all my Sony cameras. All right, what about GoPro and what about my Action 4? Well, there's another battery case for that right here called the ActionGo. This does the same thing. It'll connect to the app and we'll have a display on the front of the batteries you can charge. Now this is for the GoPro. They're saying 5 all the way up to 12. Now, we all know we just released the GoPro 13 with a new battery. So as of right now, that is not going to work with this charger. I think the plugs are on a different side of that battery, so it's not something they can just kind of fix. But as of right now, this will only work with GoPro 5 through 12 and DJI Action 3 and 4 is what it'll charge. It will also connect to the app, so I can go in here and do the same thing I did with the Sony. All right, that's it for this one, man. It's a battery case. It does way more than I thought it would do, so I'm pretty happy about it. Like, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go charge the rest of these batteries.